Ratan Tata-backed pharmaceutical startup generic Aadhaar has raised an undisclosed pre-Series A funding from Beyond Next Ventures, a leading Japanese venture capital firm in the deep tech and healthcare space. Now, the deal has resulted in catapulting the company valuation to reach 500 crore rupees. And to talk to us about the road ahead, joining me now is Arjun Deshpande, the founder and CEO of generic Aadhaar. Arjun, welcome back to Startup Street. Now, this marks the first institutional investment for you. Earlier, Mr. Ratan Tata had invested an undisclosed amount as an angel investor. Take me through the fund allocation plans and how the backing of Beyond Next Ventures will help you achieve your goal of making medicines affordable.
Thank you very much for having me as CNBC TV 89 Shruti. Adding means for this funding round, what we have closed recently, this will really help us to reach out number of more cities and rural part of the country by adding up more number of products. Product range is one of the important part because what we are dealing into is about the affordable medicines to every Indian, and we will also provide the medicines at a lesser price what we are doing so far. So with this fundraise, I will add on more products to the basket like oncology, cancer products, high-end antibiotic, which will really help the consumers to save the monthly medicine bill. And with this, we will be adding our more franchises from where we can reach out to the consumers directly.
Okay, all right. Now, Arjun, generic Aadhaar is a store that works with numerous pharmaceutical stores based on a B2B and B2C franchisee model to sell medicines at subsidized prices. In fact, you claim customers can get around 80% discount on the medicines. Tell me, how are you doing this? If you could take me through your business model.
So basically, generic Aadhaar have created a new era into the pharma industry for the benefit of common man. So it's not just something new what we have come up with, but it is the traditional way, but we have presented in a very different way. So generic medicines from many decades were present into the Indian pharmaceutical industry, but due to some company were branding and marketing generic medicines as branded medicines, eventually the price hikes. So the example, if one product is cost price is 10 rupees manufacturing, but due to the unnecessary marketing and promotion on the product, the customer was getting the same product at 1,000 rupees. So now how we are taking, means at generic Aadhaar, we are also taking the product from the companies where MNC companies are buying the products from the same WGMP facilities. So we are cutting on all the middleman chain, and we are giving the benefit to the retailers, the small medical stores across the nation. Yeah.
Okay. All right, Arjun. You know, now let's talk about the fresh funding that you've raised. You plan to expand franchisee stores from 1,500 to 3,000 and also widen the range of medicine product offerings. How soon do you hope to reach the target? What markets are you eyeing to open your franchisee stores? And also tell us, what are your top markets?
So basically today, generic Aadhaar, the aim what we have taken in next 1 year of time, we will be reaching 3,000 franchisee stores. And one important part today, as you mentioned, what our main cities we are focusing. As generic Aadhaar, our main focus is to reach out 3 tier cities, the rural part of the India. So today, generic Aadhaar is present in urban cities, but at the same time, we are focusing at the rural part, because I always believe medicines are not the luxurious expense. It is a basic necessity of every individual. So recently we have inaugurated one store. I will just share with you that store is in one of the smallest part of Bihar, Kusheshwar Asthan.
Okay.
So today there was one doctor in that village, one pharmacy and one chemist store. That doctor have taken the franchisee of generic Aadhaar today, and now generic Aadhaar is reaching small villages with our franchisees, big urban cities, because there is a demand from each and every corner of the country today.
Okay, but Arjun, tell me, you're a profitable venture today. You're not burning cash. Take me through your growth numbers and what is the kind of top line looking like?
Sure. So basically, generic Aadhaar means I always believe just don't build a company for its valuation, but to make company more profitable for the investors as well. And with that, means what we are doing on our revenues are jumping 3x because of this funding round. Our we can say our growth has been expanding very well. Our team size, we are going to double our headcount into our operations as well. So now revenues are jumping around 50 to 80% as well. So this will take generic Aadhaar to the next level.
I believe you also have plans to raise a Series A funding round in the next 8 to 12 months. Can you tell us how much you plan to raise?
Sure. So basically, when I have decided to raise pre-series A round, I have really saw a great response from entire VC community, because at generic Aadhaar is not just doing business, but we are creating an impact in every individual's life. And this venture has been really touching out to the masses. So the next round, what we'll be doing on to expand our venture more, so that will be approx will be around $10 to $15 million round. The next round, what we'll be doing in next 8 to 12 months of time.